Hi, my name is Jocelyn Hernandez with the Black Woodpecker. Have you noticed that your vinyl siding has significant wear and damage, and perhaps it's causing you headaches at this point? You've probably noticed that the color is fading, it's warping, or there are holes in your siding. Check out the transformation we just did on a historic home here in Tri-Cities.
This historic home was way overdue for a siding replacement. As you can see, the vinyl siding was warped and the colors were faded. Not only that, but since vinyl siding is very flammable, the homeowners wanted a better quality product that would last and increase the value of the property. So we installed fiber cement siding, which is low maintenance, fire resistant, and it lasts longer than vinyl. It has a beautiful cedar wood grain texture and pattern, which gives this home a lovely aesthetic. The sage gray and charcoal colors that were selected by the homeowners create such a beautiful contrast, giving this house a stunning curb appeal.
Doesn't it look like a completely new home? That's the point of doing it to begin with. You want your home to stand out. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.